The University of Tulsa's Oxley College of Health Sciences reached out to the Tandy School of Computer Science to enlist our computer simulation and gaming CSG students to develop a VR nursing training simulation to help nursing students practice and prepare for a variety of nursing scenarios.
I've helped spearhead the project. I've designed the sim on paper and also did a technical document to outline the objective system that it uses. And with a team of about 5 to 6 students, we've started assembling it over the summer, and work has been going strong since. We are now up to a team of, I think, 9.
My role in this project was to focus more on the medical side of things and ensuring that we created a simulation that was as accurate as possible.
Our demo simulation trains students to follow doctor's orders in preparing several different medications. The demo required an objective framework to be developed by our CSG students. The framework ensures that several required steps can be completed in a certain order or check if a step can be skipped. In addition to the framework, students also modeled all objects in the game, created a custom UI, and developed an alternative 3D version of the game that can be run without the use of VR.
I've been working as a developer, working with the interactables on the project. So when you pick up items, when you combine items, whenever you hit any buttons, I've had my hand in that.
I learned how to deal with just working with GitHub and how to work on the project with the whole team.
I specifically worked on the tutorial room that was meant to teach the user, especially one that hasn't ever done VR, how to essentially handle all the components of the game.
I've had a few different sort of roles. I started out helping with the programming for the movement system, and then I've been recently working on creating a new sort of set of haptic VR gloves to help make the experience a little bit more realistic.
I think it'll be a nice tool for the university to be able to use for their med students. I think it'll give them a good opportunity to be able to practice their simulation in a much lower stress environment than it would be if they were just going straight into it and having to run it. But I think also it kind of shows a lot of other uses for VR simulation that could potentially be used in other fields. Because like I mentioned, we're trying to make it as journal use as possible. And I think also for all of us working on the project, it's a really good learning opportunity to kind of keep expanding our skill sets.